Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we begin with a new episode which is more about reinforcement steelworks, which is the iron rods, and more about concrete. The target here is to set the pillars or columns, the beams for the lintel level, and also the hidden roof gutters. From there we will move to the concrete casting for the next level. So this episode is more about bleeding, man. Everything goes in here: sand, stone, cement, iron rods, everything. And it's going to be very interesting and educative as well. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly please do so you don't miss out on anything. We're going to give a lot of tips. There will be more engineering work here, designing and stuff. So please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my episodes. Are you ready for today's episode? Then let's go!
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
So there's a quick update on the staircase. As you can see, we are still removing the woods so it can dry faster and quicker. As you can see, Mr. Jonathan is on site. He's so interested in the staircase, so anytime he comes to visit, he just want to be doing something with the staircase. And here he is helping. He's the block factory guy. He's the guy who sells the block. He's the guy I bought my blocks from with all my projects you see on the channel. He's the only person I buy my blog from. So if you are interested in buying good quality blocks, I'll put his number down there. You can contact him for your blocks, just call him. If you need sand, stone, cement, he can get you all of those things. So that's Mr. Jonathan for you, Mr. Kwete. So with this project, when I wanted to start with this, well, yeah, most people didn't really support it, especially the contractor and also Mr. Kwete, the blog guy. They didn't really support it because I have to leave my project in Dorinya to come and continue with this one. But yeah, as we keep going and I keep selling my dreams and what I really want to do with this project, so far where we are now, they've seen what I really want to do. They've seen the picture. They have been to the space here, so and then they've really felt what I really want, what I meant by like building a lifestyle. They really understand it now and they are really into the house now. Like from now on, anything I want to do now, they just want to be involved. Everybody wants to be on board. So this is the latest update of the project. This is where we are now with the iron rod installation. As you can see, the guys are busy with it. We also putting the sideboard, which you can see on your right hand side now, and from there is going casting, and then we are ready for the lintel beams and stuff. So we're really moving fast. You don't have to be left behind, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss up any upload when I upload them. Also, you can hit on the notification button just in case to get notification anytime I upload video. So this is how far we are now. This is the living room, and yeah, so far so good. We keep hustling, small, step by step. We are getting somewhere. So yes, yeah, the iron rods are really shooting high, as you can see, which will appear in the next flow. So yeah. If you please haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. It's very important to subscribe to the channel to follow this journey, because trust me, when the house is done, the structure is done, I know most of you will start asking questions, and the answers are all in my videos, so you have to follow the process. So please subscribe to the channel so that you follow how things are going. So this is the sideboarding for the concrete cast for the pillars. So I hope in the next episode I can show you how it looks when the pillars were cast. Then you can see the whole form of the second floor. So thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me till this far. Thanks for your time. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next episode. Let's get do it.
Yaro when you are shiro and that yes I will for video now subscribe it.
When you come, you have your land, have your documents, then we continue there with the designing and all. We can help and see what will come out. So anything concerning the building, we are here to help as possible.
I hope you appreciate what you have seen. Yeah, so keep it up watching us, give us more work. We have a strong team. So all we need your help for one us to work so that it will work. Yeah, every day, there will be good work. So don't worry. Any drawing, any plan, any work you bring there.
Thank everyone who do view and then contact us for our job. Yadamwasi, say about me for MIA Juma, MIA Suyebi, and see Yadamwasi pa.